Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2016 Nissan Rogue S model. Newton certified pre-owned, gives you peace of mind. You'll want to ask your salesperson about the value-added benefits of that program. Cross rails, another handy feature. In addition to your roof rails, chrome rear bumper protector. Lots of cargo area in the back. This is the gum metallic on the beige interior. This has keyless entry. Rear camera. It is satellite radio enabled. Bluetooth hands-free phone operation. Steering wheel audio controls, and much more. You can see more about this vehicle at newtonnissan.com for a limited time.